Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add 18 birdies to Apple Watch. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To add 18 birdies to your Apple Watch, first what you need to do is head over to your App Store, then on the search bar type in 18 birdies and then tap on the app and check to see if you have the latest version updated and installed. Then the next step is to install the 18 birdies watch app. So head over and open up your watch app and then here scroll down and find 18 birdies under the available apps, then tap install to add it in your Apple Watch. Now next step is to enable permissions, so head over and open up your 18 birdies app, then head over to the settings, then in Apple Watch and then enable location services to always on and motion and fitness tracking to sync properly. Then last step is to open up the 18 birdies on your Apple Watch, then start a round on your iPhone first, then open the 18 birdies app on your Apple Watch and your watch will now display yardage, hole info and score tracking. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.